Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to copy TradingView Indicator Script. If you're eager to customize your trading tools, stick around, as we will walk through a straightforward way to make those indicators truly yours. Let's dive into the process. First off, load your desired indicator onto your chart. Head over to the Indicators menu and explore the Public Script section. Here you'll find a wide variety of free and popular indicators crafted by the TradingView community. Choose one that suits your trading style and click on it to apply it to your chart. You'll notice it appearing in the header of your chart. Next, hover over the indicator's name in your chart's header. Look for a small icon resembling curly braces, often called the source code icon. Clicking on this icon allows you to view the script in a read-only format. This is a valuable opportunity to get acquainted with the code's structure and logic. Now for the exciting part. At the top of the Pine Editor window, you'll find an option labeled Create a Working Copy. Click on it to open an editable version of the script. This is where you can fully customize your copy, rename it, and save it as your own. Feel free to tweak settings, adjust parameters, or experiment with the code to better align it with your trading strategy. With your personalized copy ready in the Pine Editor, the next step is to click Save. You'll be prompted to give it a new name, something that reflects its function or the unique tweaks you've made. After saving, the final step is to add your newly crafted version to your chart. Find the button labeled Add to Chart, and with one click, your customized indicator will go live. Watch it in action, as it helps you make informed trading decisions. And there you have it. You've not only copied an indicator script from TradingView, but you've also customized it to fit your needs. This method opens up a world of possibilities for personalizing your trading experience. Keep experimenting with different scripts to find what best suits your strategy. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to copy TradingView Indicator Script. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.